Good morning, Coryell's class.
Good morning, Mr. Pottinger.
We compared decimals and we use number lines to compare decimals, yes?
Yes.
You guys know where decimals live, right?
Yes.
Question. Is this and this and this all the same thing?
Yes.
So remember, we added these orange zeros on to make everything line up, right?
Yes.
What's this little mark called?
Tick.
All right, let's keep going. Okay. Inequalities. This decimal and this decimal, they need to be compared. What's this method called where we put one on top of the other?
Stacking.
So we took this number and we put it there, yes?
Yes.
Then we took this number and we put it right here, but we also added, what's this called?
Place value holder.
Does that help us to see that they're the same number?
Yes.
Same thing. Take this number, we wrote it right there. Take this number, we wrote it right there. We stacked it. By the way, when we stack, we line up the what? We line up the decimals, which means everything else, all the other place values are going to line up, right?
Yes.
Then I drew us a little line. Does that mean we're tied?
Yes.
Decimals lined up, yes or no?
Yes.
What's bigger, the 2 or the 0?
2.
I can be done because I now know that this number is bigger than this number, so I drew my inequality, yes?
Yes.
If you don't have the same amount of digits, add place value holders every single time. And here are your steps. When comparing decimals, step 1 is you do what? Stack them. Line up the decimals, right?
Yes.
Step 2, if you don't have an equal number of digits, we fill in with what?
Place value holder.
And step 3, we start drawing these little light vertical lines to compare the numbers. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, here we go. Number 3. What is right there? What number is that? 5? If this is 4/10 and this is 6/10, what's in the middle?
5/10.
Okay, so then we put these on the number line, we're good to go. Okay, now, in this situation right here, our eyes up on the screen? I asked you to plot these 3 numbers, but I only gave you a 0.5. And you're all like, okay, well, I'm going to fill in the rest, 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, and so on. But there's 2 numbers after the decimal here, right? There's only 1 number after 0.1 and only 1 number after 0.2. What did we add?
0.
Place value holders, right? Is it a lot easier to see where 1500ths goes if you have a 10 hundredths and a 20 hundredths?
Yes.
If you just have 1/10 and 2/10, it makes it a little bit more challenging, yes?
Yes.
The number line here is between 6 and 7 because the decimals were attached to a whole number. We saw that, yeah?
Yes.
Last thing. I just gave you these 4 numbers. I did not give you a number line. Would it be smarter to make a number line or just to stack them if I had to compare them?
Stack.
So I asked you to compare them from least to greatest, yeah?
Yes.
Drew my faint little line. We got a tie there, right?
Yes.
Drew my faint little line. I now found the smallest number, so I wrote myself a little note and I crossed it off. Keep on writing yourself notes. Keep on using your little lines going down. You should be able to put them in any order I'm asking you to put them in. True or false?
True.